In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your UpWork profile. First off, you'll want to navigate to your UpWork dashboard. Here, you'll notice a pencil icon labeled Boost Your Profile. Clicking on this is the first step towards enhancing your visibility on the platform. It's straightforward but pivotal for getting started on this process. Once you've clicked on the pencil icon, you'll be prompted to specify your audience by selecting your category type and specialty. This is a crucial step, as it helps potential clients find you based on your strengths and areas of expertise. So, take a moment to reflect on what you excel in. For instance, if you specialize in administrative support, you might select admin support as your category and narrow it down further with a specialty in data entry. By choosing accurately, you align yourself with the right opportunities, making it easier for clients to match their needs with your skills. Now, let's talk about connects. Deciding how many connects you will allocate per bid click is essential. Think of connects as a currency that helps you stand out when bidding for jobs. You'll want to determine not only how many connects to provide per click, but also to set a limit. Consider whether this limit is for a total number or applies daily. This strategic choice can prevent you from overspending your resources and keep your budget in check while maximizing your bid's potential impact. Once you've sorted out the technicalities of connects, it's time to schedule when you would like to boost your profile. Timing can influence the visibility of your profile. So, if you're targeting clients in a different time zone, it can be advantageous to align your boosts with their active hours. This strategic timing could increase the likelihood of your profile being noticed by potential clients. Finally, the last thing you need to do is to hit the boost button. This simple action sets everything you've configured into motion. Remember, boosting your profile is about enhancing your discoverability and getting your skills noticed by the right clients. With everything set up, your profile will soon be more active and visible on UpWork, paving the way for new opportunities that match your unique offerings. By following these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your profile for better reach and, ultimately, more success on UpWork. Remember, these small strategic adjustments can make a significant difference in how you are perceived on the platform. Thanks for tuning in.